Hey everyone, it's our last school day of 2020. So today is Wednesday, December 23rd. Today you have the rest of the hour to keep working on your note cards and your crap test sheet. Remember that your crap test sheets need to be filled out with each source that's not a database. Make sure also that you're filling out your MLA citation tool as you research so that you don't lose any of your sources. If you don't cite those sources and you can't find them later, then you can't use those note cards, and that's a bummer because then you have to go back and do more research. Remember that you are looking for the history, the application, and the implication for this project. Make sure that you have kind of an equal divide of each one so that when you go to write, you have enough information for each section of your speech and paper. Today, your goal is to find at least 30 note cards total from at least 5 different sources. You can have more sources than that if you would like, but that is 4 to 5 is the minimum. Today, by the end of the hour, your note cards are due. So by the end of the hour, you should be turning in 30 research note cards on Schoology. You should also turn in any crap sheets that you have done for your website sources. It's all due tonight by 11:59 because over break, I want to go through and look at your note cards and make sure that you have all the information that you're going to need. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, have a great break, and I will see you guys in 2021.